back with our garden, and today we're gonna see if we have any potatoes to harvest.
He already harvested one.
No, that's not a potato, honey. That's pepper.
Never mind, that is not a potato, that is a pepper.
Look, we have a little one.
We got one potato. Ah!
Look, they're coming out of here. Look at this.
Oh.
And this is how the potatoes grow out of the plant from the roots.
I found one.
See that?
I found a baby one. Oh my god, I found one.
And this was our little potato haul for the season. Not too crazy. Hopefully better next time.
Yeah.
And that is how you harvest your potatoes. Until next time.